Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be using some potassium permanganate. How about that? I hope quite a few of y'all are proud of me for saying that correctly. I have always messed that name up, but I think I've learned it. Potassium permanganate. So anyway, we're going to be using that stuff. Mr. Major Dan, Mr. Dan Pribben, gave me a knife. The crew met up down there in Americus at world famous Michael Hill has at least a building down there, and he invited down there, fed everybody ribs, coleslaw, and potato salad, sweet tea. It was good. We showed some knives. Even D.I. Dave come up from Florida, so we had a great time. We really did. But anyway, Mr. Dan Pribben gave me a knife. I'm going to show it to you over there in another shop. It's an awesome knife, but it needs a little help with the bone. So you'll be seeing what I'm talking about here in a few minutes. But anyway, guys, then once we get that done, we're going to also put two more knives into the potassium permanganate. And we're letting them oxidize right now, but you'll see it in the video. And we'll be working on those here real soon, too. And also, Mr. Dan Pribben, Major Dan, gave me a burnt bacon sodbuster junior right there. We're going to be putting a bell on it here real soon. So we're going to be putting one of them little brass bells right there. So can't wait to get that done. You got to be real careful when you're doing that because that bone is so easy to break right back there. Anyway, my boss is calling. Hang on. Well, guys, we got appointments all day long today. Then we got to go to a baseball tournament. But anyway, I'm fixing to get off this thing, and we're going to go to the video. Then we're going to come back and talk right here for a minute. Anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, Major Dan, Mr. Dan Pribben, gave this knife to me when we met down there at the world-famous Michael Hale's new building he leased. We went down there and ate lunch, had a good time. But anyway, it's the Burnt Natural Bone Deep Canyon Jig Trapper. It's Damascus. But you see how light that bone is right there? See how light I call them valleys, guys. And it is just as white as it can be. When you toast something like that, it's hard to get down in there. But all they did was cut that out, and they didn't worry about down in there. It would be so pretty if all that was dark. So what we're going to do, we're going to be sticking this one down in, get this, y'all, potassium permanganate. How about that? So we're going to put that right down in there. It covers the whole thing. So we're going to leave that in there for about 2-3 hours. We'll check on it about 6 o'clock, okay? And then we'll let it dry, and then we'll see what it looks like, and we might have to stick it back down in there. But it's going to be pretty, I think. Okay, guys, it's a little late. It's 10:12 at night. So I've been cutting grass and everything else. But we're fitting to take that out and put it up here again. But here it is right here. Check that out. That is dark. Look at that. I think it's going to look good. I'm fitting to hang it up over here. And we'll look at it when I get it clamped up. We're going to come back here after a while, after it dries some. But remember, them valleys were really white. We got to let it oxidize or dry overnight. And go from there, guys. It's going to look good now. Got Damascus blade. Mr. Dan gave me this knife today. Very honored to know him. He's Major Dan. He was a major special forces Army veteran. Just a great guy. Great guy. But anyway, let's let it dry some. We'll come back out here and look at it in a little while. It's 10:15. We'll come out here in about an hour. Okay, guys, I took the lid back off. I'm fixing to dye this copper lock real quick. The mini copper lock, amber bone. You see how white it is right here. See that right there? Then you got this side. We'll leave that there till morning. We got to do this one too. You see how white that peanut is right there? That's gonna look good. I think I know what I can use to put that down in there. Or I think I have a container out here that I can use to put that in. Okay guys, I took the lid off of my new Remington oil back there. So I'm gonna pour some potassium permanganate in there and drop that down in there. See if I can't do this without making a mess here. I think that's perfect right there. Ain't gonna be deep enough, is it? Might pour some in there. A mess. Okay, I've cleaned up my mess, but anyway, we have that soaking now. So we're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave this in here overnight. Okay, we're just gonna leave it in here overnight and get them good and dark. But look at this, it's darkening up here. That's gonna look good right there now. Gonna look good. We're gonna wipe it down in the morning. So it is 11:04 at night. But we're gonna clean that up tomorrow and just see what it's gonna look like. And leave them here overnight, and we'll take them out, let them dry during the day while I'm gone. And we'll check with them on, let's say tomorrow's Thursday. And then, tomorrow's Thursday. So Friday, we should be able to see what those are gonna look like. Which will be Saturday for the video. But that's gonna look good. I can already tell. I love that potassium permanganate. That Ray Berry put me onto that. Y'all, he's a good guy. He really is. But I love it. Really do. Cannot wait till in the morning to see how that's gonna turn out. Okay guys, it is 5:50 in the morning. We're gonna go out here and check on our little projects here. That's gonna be nice. Look at the peanut. Oh yeah. Here is that right there. It's already hot, just early in the morning, guys. We're fitting to wipe it down, clean off the bolsters here. It's gonna look good. It'll look real good. We're gonna let these oxidize today. Okay guys, you let me know what you think. I think it turned out pretty doggone good. The color of the handles goes well with the Damascus now. It was just too white, especially in the valleys or the deep canyons they call it. The deep canyon cuts that they do on that bone, that's why they make it kind of thick so they can do the deep canyons in there, or the valleys I like to call them. But this is a great knife that Mr. Dan gave me. Beautiful, ain't it? I still got to polish it out and hit it with never dull and stuff like that, but I think it turned out really good. It's very unique. Now you see that potassium permanganate, each bone takes it in a different way, and I feel like I needed to come back over that and toast that because it got a little bit too white. So I went ahead and toasted it, and it looks good. It really does. It's got a little bit of white here, and it gets dark, gets white again over here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But I think it goes well with that Damascus blade now, because how it went in them fissures right there. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful knife, Mr. Dan. Thank you again, buddy, so much. But it turned out good, guys, I think. I probably could have sanded that down some more and feathered that in right there, but we're gonna leave it just like that. Looks good. Don't it go well with the Damascus now, like that right there? Beautiful, ain't it? Hoorah. Okay guys, right here, they turned out real well. We'll be sanding it or wiping them down, and once I wipe it down and clean the bolsters off, we might hit it with a little bit of sanding right there. But I think they're going to turn out really good. Really good. Again, each bone takes this potassium permanganate different. It really does. And again, that joker turned out good now. I like the way it's got them lines in the back there. Goes well with the Damascus. Again, y'all let me know what y'all think. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. There it is right there, guys. Don't look bad at all. Y'all let me know what y'all think, but I think it goes real well with them Damascus blades right there. Ain't that cool? I've polished it up some, and I waxed the handles, so I think it looks good. I really do. Looks real good. It looks a lot better than what it was, put it that way. And I might even come back and hit it with a 2000 grit and work my way back up to 5000 again. I don't know yet, but I think it looks good just like that. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Beautiful piece. Mr. Dan, buddy, thank you for this, and I appreciate you, buddy. I really do. He has given me so much. He really has. He's just an awesome person. He is. I've been giving him some knives too. I sneak them into his. He always buys on Whatnot, and I'll send him some knives, some extra knives. So he appreciates that. I know he does. But this right here is just an amazing piece. Thank you, Mr. Dan, again, buddy. I appreciate you. And I'll be getting on this real soon, along with his tested right here. We still got to clean it and repair that flat tip screwdriver. So both of them are coming up. Along with, we got Mr. Lance's folding hunter right here. X's under. That's going to be cleaned up too. Just been busy. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Oh, it's right here in front of me. Y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp. Okay, guys, look here. I got a request before I ship this thing off. This is a buck right here, stag. and it is a buck 301. I think this is a I forgot the year. I think it'll be right here. But I want to say it's the 90. No, I think it was 88 if I'm not mistaken. I think it was an 88. Anyway, it'll be right where I told you it was. But look at that. Ain't that beautiful? That was mint, guys. And it sold last night in the auction. Slanted bolsters. There's a stag buck 301. I've never seen one before. There's the box, original paperwork. I didn't find this. It was Mr. Ken Lewis had this. He wanted me to sell it for him, and I did. I had a consignment auction for him, but that is absolutely gorgeous right there. See? Beautiful bone, mint as it can be. Again, brand new in the box, old new stock. Pretty cool, ain't it? Original paperwork. But it's fixing to go to a home. I just want to share that real quick. Beautiful piece. Again, there's the Bill Rupel knife. But I'm almost done with all of the shipping. So, but that's one of the last ones.